Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa and I am here at Shoes of Hollywood today. I am going to be reviewing and trying on some shoes for you. Today I am trying on the Pleaser brand. These are called Illusion and they're pink. Don't pretend you don't like pink because we all like pink. Now if you buy online, they're packaged really well. So you've got your dust bag, which I suggest you keep and store your shoes in, plastic and paper, as well as all the glittery rhinestones being protected by this foam as well. I'm going to get them both out. You've also got a drawstring bag in here as well. And there's some extra foam in the drawstring bag too. Pop that between each shoe for travelling. Look at this. Oh, ooh, it's almost like a unicorn horn. Look at that extra detailing here. Oh, I love these. Get that out last. Same again, big reveal. This is every girl's dream, is it not? Look at these. And underneath as well. Now you see on the bottom of the high shoes too that they have this base for stability, so no slipping. All right, I'm going to pop these on. Now this will mould to the shape of your foot after you've worn it for a little while. So I always suggest putting these on at home, walking around in them for a little while, and they will mould to the shape of your foot, which is amazing. And also, as I mentioned before about storing in the dust bag, you can also store in the box. Keep all the little extras to protect and store the paper in here, and it will keep them at your shape for you. Aren't they glorious? I love them. They're a 6-inch heel. Got the gorgeous 6 inches on the heel here, which has that glittery detail down the bottom. Runs down the back of the heel. I just love these. How can you not? Pink and glitter. I love the detail on the platform, how it matches the heel as well. So much sparkle, so much pink. Not wobbly at all. I've said it once, I've said it 100 times, do not be afraid of high heels. You think that this platform means that you're not going to be able to walk, but it's the opposite, it helps you. So let's take these outside and we can see them in the sunlight. Look at that. As you can see, the sparkles run all the way underneath, as well as down the back of the pointy heel, all the way around to the inside. So you're getting sparkles from absolutely every angle. They are angled at the front of the platform, so that when you walk, you can tilt forward as you walk. As you can see though, I am not stumbling, no falling. And they do have the lining, which is super comfortable for your foot, and like I said, the perspex will mould to the shape of your foot and will become more comfortable with time. These are a standout shoe, so I would keep the shoe as the statement in your outfit, but I could 100% dance all night in these. Take you back inside. These do come in black as well. Give you a look from the side. Woo! What's not to love? It's just all the sparkly details. Like I said, they run all the way underneath as well as down the back of the heel here. I just love this little extra detail and the pop of sparkle you get when you're walking away. Amazing. And once again, so comfortable. This brand is renowned for the comfort of their shoes. They want you to be able to wear them all night long, all day long, for any event, for any occasion, and feel comfortable, and they don't want you to hurt yourself or fall over. So they are designed to be worn for long periods of time comfortably. I just can't stop looking at them. I'm like a bird attracted to sparkly things. Oh dear. Well, if you like this video, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell up in the corner so that you receive a notification when a new video is up, and make sure you give us a thumbs up as well. See you next time.